Hey guys, Turtle here again. So if you've been following the channel, I've been working on this CanAm Outlander 800 Max XT. I've been working on it for over a year now. It was in an accident on Memorial Day last year, 2021, and it bent the frame, and I did a rebuild on it and had everything back together. Just before I went to put the plastics on, I tested it, it fired right up, all was well. I put the plastics on it, put the racks on it, finished it up, went to turn it on, and it wouldn't start. There was no power to the controls on the handlebars. There was no power to the speedometer or anything like that. The only thing that worked is you could hear the fuel pump run, and you was able to jump the solenoid to make it start. Hit the kill switch and it would kill. So there was some kind of problem with the wiring. I have been through the voltage regulator, the computer, the main engine harness, and none of that was it. And I just now put on the actual main wiring harness, a different one. So at this point, I've been through the entire electrical system, and now this is going to be the moment of truth. I'm going to try to start it, at least turn the ignition and see if anything happens. So fingers crossed. Don't mind the mess there. I haven't tied anything down yet. I'm just right now everything's plugged in to see if it'll work. So bear with me. If I can get a hold of it here. Okay, the key is turned. And nothing. Alright guys, so great news actually. Got the wires in. She does have power. The controls work on the handlebars like I was hoping for. Lights are working as they should be. Power is going to the starter like it should be. All of this was neglect before. Apparently there was a problem with the old wiring harness when I got it all reassembled. Ripped that wiring harness out, tossed it aside, and got this new harness on there. Everything's going well, except it was not feeding power to the speedometer. When I looked, the plugs were actually a little different, and the plugs were actually the same here, but they were all wired in differently here. So I'm taking the time, split the wires, rerouting everything using the original connection here from the original wiring harness. That part should be fine. Get everything rewired up here, and I'll show you guys. We got live power feed through the whole machine, and then we'll go ahead and button her up with the plastics. Make sure she's still good after I get those on again. And then we'll get her outside, get her a good bath, and then we'll actually take her for a good test ride. Cannot wait for that, and I'm sure you guys want to see that too. This is going to be a mean machine when she gets done. That is an 800, so I am looking forward to it. I know it's not a 1000 like some of the other machines out there, but I still think she's going to be a beast. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Thanks again, guys. So without further ado, here we go, guys. We've got power already, and I heard the fuel pump. There she is, guys. She's alive. Listen to that. I know that might not seem like a lot to a lot of you guys out there, but this has been an ongoing project for almost a year and a half now. And it was just, at first it was going smooth and got it all buttoned up, and then there was a problem with the electrical. So got the electrical fixed, and if any of you guys ever mess with the electrical, you know what kind of headache that can be. But I finally got the electrical squared away. She's all ready to go as far as that goes. She's running. So now I'm going to take time to actually secure the wires where they need to be and button everything up and get the brakes bled. So bear with me, and I'll keep the videos coming to you guys. Thanks for watching.